My name is Silvia and I'm the owner of the Salsa with Silvia dance studio. It started with me getting into dance when I was 6 years old. I never thought that a hobby would turn into a business, but it did. So the very first studio that we opened in 2011 was in the basement of our house. For kids, we do many different styles like ballet, jazz, tap, modern. And for the little kids, we do dance with me classes where parents can participate, and we also do creative movement. What we started in 2018 is a fully sponsored by us scholarship team for kids that are coming from families that cannot allocate the funds for them to learn how to dance. So they come to us with their passion for dance. The Salsa with Silvia studio pays for their costumes, it pays for their training, deals with logistics in terms of transportation and performances around the area. When people come here, they come because they want to meet people, and we've created a Salsa with Silvia family, a Salsa with Silvia community, and I love that about it.